In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Surface camera not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing, we need to make sure if this camera access is enabled. So click on the Start button and click on the Settings option. From the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you'll find Camera. Make sure camera access is enabled. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on to switch the button on. Also, for let apps access your camera, also switch this on, especially for all the applications that needs to access your camera. Like if you want to access it through the Microsoft Teams, you can simply switch the button out from here so that you will be or you have the access to use the camera. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method is we need to make a right click at the start button and then we have to select device manager. Once device manager window is opened, expand the list for cameras and then you will find your camera driver. Simply make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, just simply choose the latest version or you can simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you and click on next and Windows will successfully update your drivers. After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type store. Click Microsoft Store under the best match. Then in the list of options on the left pane, click on downloads. And simply click on the update all option. This will update all the applications from the Microsoft Store and that includes the camera. Okay, simply click on check for updates and click on update all. And this will start to update each of the applications from the Microsoft Store. So we have here Windows Camera. Okay. So make sure that this has been done. So once this is done and everything is updated, then you can try to see if that helped you fix the issue. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.